I remember my grandmother saying, if you don't get an education, I'm telling you, it's chai for you. And she was like, the way thing, you need to get an education so that you can have the helpers and So I listened because I'm not very domesticated and that was just not gonna work for me. So I had to I went to school for Joburg. I matriculated in Del Park, which is in Benoni. And then getting into nursing was hard. Oh my goodness, it was hard. Not because I was not qualifying, but there were glitches here and there. I remember when I applied first time for nursing, I applied at the Free State School of Nursing, and because I'm from Joburg, I used my uncle's address. He was staying here in Brandbach. I did so well in the test, but then what the school does, it sends you the acceptance letter. No, everything went well. You've been accepted. Congratulations. But they need you to respond to say no. I'm still coming or I'm not, because maybe you would have applied for multiple institutions. So my letter came. My uncle did not communicate. And then I missed my spot. They gave it to somebody else who was on the waiting list. And then I called the school and they were like, oh, wow, aren't we disappointed? Because you performed so well. But when you didn't respond, we had to give your space to someone else.
Wow.
I cried. It was crazy. They called the school's rector actually to say, hey, there's a young girl here. She's hysterical. What can we do? So they were opening a school in Tabancho. It was a nursing school, but they teach the 2-year program. So he was like, why don't you go to that one? And then you can reapply for the 4-year course. I did that. Got into the 2-year program, absolutely hated it. I hated it with all my heart because it was not going to get me to where I want to go. But as I was studying I was actually studying in Pelonomi, nursing school. All the wards where I rotated doing my practicals, I would always have the nurses saying, "O batla eng mo?" Like, you are too young. Like, young girls, but go the 4-year program. Like, every ward, there was somebody asking me, what are you doing here?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to be here. And it pushed me to reapply. But I can tell you, my husband was one of the people that pushed me to reapply for the 4-year program. I did. And by God's grace, I managed to get in.